All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part one, and I'll ask you some questions. Do you like to spend time with teenagers?
Actually, not. I'm not that type of person. I like to spend my time most of the time with my like my age
With my
group,
age fellows, right?
with my age fellows, and I have not much as much friends. I have few of members. I have few of
I
numbers
don't
of.
have many friends.
I don't have many friends. I have few of one.
I have few selected friends.
Few selected friends are they are not in our same country. They are living in abroad. Whenever we have some time to spend with them, then definitely when I
Okay.
get a chance to spend my time with them, definitely I like to spend my
Okay, the
time.
last part of your answer became off the topic because the topic is teenagers. So if you
Okay.
don't like to spend time with teenagers, only talk about teenagers.
Okay, sorry for
Not
that.
like from teenagers you shifted to your friends
Okay.
and then the topic is my friends, huh?
Okay,
All
sorry
right,
for
let's
that.
go on. Do you know anything about the kind of fashion that teenagers like?
Yes, definitely. I have kids, so most of the time I spend my time on internet. I start watching the different type of clothes, and I wants to make my child updated. That's why I like to watch.
This answer is also irrelevant. You did not connect your answer with the question. The question is, do you know anything about the kind of fashion that teenagers like?
मैं क्या दोबारा आंसर
Teenagers like to wear the clothes which are actually as per the same or new fashion, the
Okay.
new trends. They always adopt the new trends. But you talked about yourself.
Okay,
So
let me
focus the question. Okay, let's go on. How do teenagers entertain themselves?
nowadays, as you know, the time of uh, can you ask me once again, please?
Sure. How do teenagers entertain themselves?
Nowadays, most of the child spend their times on internet. Some they spend time on PlayStations. They like to. There are no so outdoor personality nowadays. They want to sit on the inside. So that's why they.
Okay, your answer is good. Just try to use the words like teenagers, young adults, youth,
Okay.
youngsters, young people.
Okay.
These type of words are going to be fine. Okay,
Okay.
and focus the question. Try to answer according to the question.
Okay, sir.
Now let's go on. It's your turn, please. What kind of social networking websites do you like to use?
Well, there are many social apps, but I prefer to use Islam 360 channel. Recently, I joined Islam 360 channel because I read the Holy Quran with the translate and
With
explain
translation?
translation and explanation. It's a app helped me a lot into
Is
understand.
this the social networking app? No, it isn't. So the question is, what kind of social networking websites? Now, what are social networking websites? Facebook,
Facebook,
WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, absolutely. So you should talk about the websites which are social networking. Okay, let's go on. Are you a social person?
No,
No, and then hasa. No, no. You say, no, I'm not a social person at all. I prefer to spend time all alone or sometimes with my family. I hardly make new friends and I'm not interested in other people's lives, whatever they are doing. So, to answer your question, I am an antisocial person. Okay? Just answer, give a full answer, right? Not like, no. Yeah? Okay, let's go on. What kind of people do you like to be friends with?
what kind of
What kind of people do you like to be friends with? I love to make friendship with the people who are funny because I love to enjoy and laugh with my friends. On the other hand, I love sincere people to be my friends, just like this. Okay, so try to come up with more ideas and come out of this thing. Okay, come out of that and
Okay.
try to answer every question.
Okay.
Right? Okay, thank you.